This is arguably one of the most automated car factories in China, or even on this planet. We got a chance to go deep inside.
欢迎来参观未来第二先进制造工厂。
Walking through this corridor, we immediately got to our first stop, the paint shop. The core of the workshop is the giant vehicle storage system, what they call the cube. I prefer to call it a giant claw machine. Anyway, the 6-story vertical garage can stock 246 vehicle bodies, with 2 elevator handles helping to store and retrieve. This buffering process helps avoid constantly changing the spray gun. This lifts the overall production efficiency.
我们现在整个 OTD 从订单客户下订单到他拿到车，总共只要21天的时间。
Next up, body shop. In here, over 700 robotic machines are doing their jobs in an orderly fashion. But the leading technology here is what goes behind the fully automated door installation. The robotic machines are able to tightly and smoothly install the 4 doors to all of NIO's 8 selling models, with a tolerance of plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. It is about the same width as a single strand of your hair. As we were moving to our final stop, I unintentionally revealed my lack of knowledge.
小心。
不会，他自己会停下来。
他会停是吧？
对。
These auto-guided vehicles, or AGVs, are everywhere in NIO's plant, especially in the general assembly shop. They transport car parts or even car bodies to their designated locations, with no interference from human beings. Of course, the robotic machines are programmed to avoid human workers too.
Right here, the assembly line only moves when the workers stand behind this yellow line, and when they go into the yellow line and start to do their work, the assembly line stops thanks to the little sensor right here, and this is to ensure the workers' safety.
China has been the world's largest new energy vehicle market for 8 consecutive years. The country has witnessed a dramatic increase in the number of electric cars on its roads, with domestic manufacturers such as NIO gaining prominence.
其实我们整个的理念就是能够把我们现在的一些先进的技术展现给同行，大家只有相互交流、相互促进，才能让这个行业去更向上的去发展。
China used to rely heavily on foreign car brands and their manufacturer technology, but now almost 80% of the country's new energy vehicle sales come from local brands. And boosted by the growth of new energy vehicle exports, China's total auto export is expected to surpass Japan to become the world's #1 this year. So it is fair to say the Chinese car companies have become extremely competitive. Plus, that last part are not my words, but those of Elon Musk.